use for spring roll today? First one, spring onions, baby corn, carrot, cabbage, garlic, and this one glass noodle. Vegetable in. Okay. Cabbage, carrot, baby corn, anything. Okay, in now. And fry all the vegetables together. And for help to soften the vegetable, we need this one. Chicken stock.
Chicken stock.
Yes.
Like
Or it
broth.
can be water. Water is okay. Fry. Allow time to soften all the vegetables. And then next ready to add this one. The glass noodle, and the glass noodle soak it in the water already for 5 to 10 minutes around. Okay? The glass noodle in now. And follow with all the flavor that we make in the bowl already.
Okay.
Soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar and pepper. Okay, all in. So, okay. Careful, like this. Because thin and quite easy to break. And then now, ready to wrap, you need to make it diamond. Okay. And get the mixture at the bottom corner.
Bottom corner.
Like this.
Okay.
Okay. Make it nice and tight. Not the middle, not the top. Okay. Start from the bottom corner. And it needs to leave one corner over the mixtures.
Oh.
Over first, and then push,
Tuck
push,
it in.
push, tuck it in, yep, correct. And then see, make it nice and tight. And then roll to the middle, stop. Okay, go from the corner, both sides. And you will get this one like an envelope.
Ah.
Okay, when you get an envelope, you need to roll it to the end. At the end, leave some space. You need to close it with the egg. If you don't use the egg, you can use the flour, like corn flour. Mix